favorite machine, Trains, written by Victoria Marcos. My favorite machines are trains. Would you like to learn about them? Trains are railroad cars that are connected and move along a track. Most trains are powered by diesel fuel or electricity. There are different trains for different purposes. Do you remember? How are most trains powered? Check and see if you are right at the end of this book. Passenger trains carry people. Freight trains carry things. Passenger trains can be very long and fast. Do you remember? Do passenger trains go fast or slow? Check and see if you're right at the end of this book. Trains have seats for people to sit. They also have windows for people to look out. Freight trains that carry very heavy loads don't go very fast. They take a long time to get to where they are going. There are many different types of trains: high-speed rail, short distance, intercity, commuter, rapid transit, and more. This is a commuter train. Do you remember? Can you name two kinds of trains? Check and see if you're right at the end of this book. My favorite thing about trains is that they are fun to ride. Passenger trains go fast and travel through the city, mountains, country, and desert. What is your favorite thing about trains? Glossary: commuter train, passenger train that travels in and around the city. High-speed rail, passenger train that goes very fast. Intercity train, passenger train that travels only in the city. Railroad cars, vehicles used to carry passengers or cargo that are connected to an engine car that make up a train. Rapid transit, high-speed passenger train, often underground, subway, or up high above the streets. Load, heavy thing that is carried. Did you remember? Answer.